Welcome. If you want to activate easy mode in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, for the first you have to go for the settings, and right now click on the display, scroll down, click on the easy mode right here, and use the switcher to activate this option. And this is how it looks. If you want to turn it off, just go back to the settings and use the same switcher. You can also here adjust the functions. You can add the high contrast keyboard and also change the touch and hold the delay. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.